As promised, Vivo introduced the Vivo T2 5G series in India, and it's designed for the young millennials and Gen Zs. The device is powered by the Snapdragon 695 SoC. It runs FunTouch OS 13 based Android 13, and comes in 6GB and 128GB and 8GB and 128GB configurations. It comes with a micro SD card slot. Storage expands up to 1TB. Uniquely built around a 6.38-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a 90Hz screen refresh rate, 360Hz touch sampling rate, and 1300 nits peak brightness. The panel also has the dated water drop notch for the 16-megapixel selfie camera. The rear houses a 64-megapixel primary camera with OIS and EIS and 2-megapixel depth unit. The Vivo T2 5G, fueled by a 4500 mAh battery, charging up to 50% in 25 minutes with a 44-watt power adapter.